Let's talk about Toshi Crypto real quick. Now, the blue card is currently trading around 0.00056. We are left with 3 hours and 15 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. In this video, briefly, we are also going to talk about the BTC dominance price update, and not to forget that we are going to be comparing the orders chart on the weekly time frame, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, and also we are going to compare it with the Ethereum chart. If you're paying attention, the Ethereum chart looks very identical to the orders chart, you understand? And if Ethereum is now currently outperforming the market, that is to say the orders chart is going to run into altcoin season soon. That is to say altcoin season is now inevitable, like seriously. So this is not a period to begin to like lose hope, you understand, or to panic sell. This is the phase where you need to like panic buy, position, aggressively position ahead of the BTC dominance aggressive drop. The BTC dominance has been stable for a while now, around the 58%. We are left with 27 days and 12 hours. The moment it drops aggressively, you guys already know what will happen. We have 14 days, 5 hours, and 14 minutes left until the next FOMC meeting. We now have a 91.7% probability of getting a rate cut for the month of September, while 8.3% probability of not getting a rate cut. So from the look of things, it's obvious we are going to get a rate cut for the month of September 2025. And if that rate cut is happening, I think the market might maybe want to rally ahead of the rate cut, more like a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of a thing. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. But the rate cut is going to usher in aggressive liquidity into the entire market. That's just the truth. So the truth of the matter is Toshi failed to hold above the 0.00061. I'm currently at a loss from the second entry I had on Toshi around 0.00073 kind of, if I'm not mistaken. I've forgotten. So I'm currently at a loss. Let me even check it out. I'm currently at a loss of minus 22% on my second Toshi deep buy entry. There's no cause for alarm at all. I'm not phased at all because we are almost at the finish line of this market cycle. The altcoin season is going to kickstart like a thief in the night, and a lot of people are going to be taken unaware. So instead of FOMOing in or trying to time the exact bottom into Toshi, I think it would be wise to just DCA into it right now. You understand? So even if it drops to 0.00052, I'm going to maybe consider to take a third position on Toshi. I've been holding Toshi like since 2023 now. I got into Toshi early 2023. You understand? When Toshi was around $1.4 million in market cap. I also got into Mochi when Mochi was around $350,000 market cap. And I've only sold few percentage of both my Toshi and Multi holdings. I'm still holding like more than 60% of my asset, you understand, which I'm going to empty them by the time we get to the market cycle top. Not a precise top though. So yeah, that's a heads up. We need to see Toshi flip the 0.00061 zone into a support. Then we should begin to like head to the 0.00075 zone. The moment we are flipping the 0.0075 zone, then it's going to be another new massive run to the upside on Toshi. In the long run, before this market cycle comes to an end, we should easily see a $2 billion, $3 billion, $5 billion, $7 billion market cap for Toshi. It's very, it can even go beyond that. I'm just trying to be realistic as possible. So fingers crossed, but the moment we are flipping this level, 0.000759 zone into a support, a clean support with at least few daily candle close, bullish daily candle close above it, then forget about it. Toshi is going to explode and melt faces. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, smash the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Let's talk about the orders chart real quick. This is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. This is the total cryptocurrency market cap excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, if you're paying close attention, the moment the orders chart is flipping the $305 billion level into a support, a clean support, then we are going to rally into altcoin season. And I think it's going to happen very, very soon. We are left with 4 days and 12 hours until this current weekly candle closes. Now, if you guys are going back to the Ethereum chart, we had a similar stuff on the Ethereum chart. The Ethereum chart and the others chart are very, very, very identical. They are very similar. Now, when Ethereum is now currently outperforming the entire market, by the way. Ethereum is outperforming both BTC and also the rest of the altcoins. We are now currently in the Ethereum season. The Ethereum season is still likely to continue. The altcoins are going to join Ethereum later, which I think we are almost at the decision point now for the rest of the altcoins. The moment this others chart is breaking above the $305 billion zone, flipping it into a support, then it's going to be an altcoin season, which is likely and definitely going to happen in this Q4 2025. So fingers crossed. I'm going to be telling you guys when to exit as well with the help of this BTC dominance chart. And let's not forget that BTC itself just tapped into a bearish breaker on the daily time frame. So if this bearish breaker is not getting invalidated, then we should expect to get a correction from around $112,000 or $113,000 price level for the price of BTC. Now, this is the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame is more valid than the lower time frame. Now, we are still waiting for that massive crash on the BTC dominance, which is inevitable, like seriously. The moment that massive drop, that massive crash is happening on the BTC dominance, our altcoins is going to like skyrocket. They are going to begin to go ballistic. Aggressive pump in the entire altcoin market. Now, same thing happened in 2021 when BTC dominance crashed aggressively. We had an altcoin season for 2021. When BTC dominance crashed aggressively, the entire market had an altcoin season for 2017. So same thing is going to repeat itself in 2025. Nothing really has changed. The market is still following the same playbook. So Q4 2025 is going to be a very, very sensitive quarter of the year. And in order not to end up getting sidelined, remember, like I said countless times, the rate cut is going to mark the beginning of the end. And the market might maybe even, from the look of things, the market might rally ahead of the actual rate cut. We currently have a 91.7% probability of getting a rate cut in the month of September. From the look of things, I think it's very, very obvious we are going to get a rate cut. So the market might pump ahead of the rate cut, more like it's buy the rumors, sell the news kind of a thing. Now, like I've said countless times, this is the BTC dominance chart on the weekly time frame. The moment we are approaching the 44-42% level, and I monitor the market sentiment, the altcoin market sentiment, I think I'm going to begin to like take aggressive profit by the time the BTC dominance drops to the 44-42% level in order to be on the safer side. The goal is to go out in profit and not trying to time the exact exit or the exact top in order not to end up getting sidelined and end up getting used as an exit liquidity. So you have to smash the like button of this video once again. Please destroy the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video as always. My name is Isaac. Peace out.